Good afternoon, everyone. We are going to discuss NEET Biology Test Paper 5 video solution. So, question number 1: which of the following statements about cell junction is incorrect? Okay. So, option D is the correct option. Gap junctions are meant for chemical exchange between the adjacent cells. तो यहाँ पर जो option है gap junctions increase the surface area, that is not the correct statement. Question number B. Question number 2, question number 2: complex structural polysaccharide present in exoskeleton of cockroach. Okay, so again option D should be correct, chitin, because it is nitrogenous polysaccharide. Okay, so chitin is correct. Question number 3: identify the tissue. तो मसल का स्ट्रक्चर है. ओके, तो दे आर striated muscles or skeletal muscles. Option D is correct. Question number 4: in frogs, bucopharyngeal respiration. ओके, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का सही आंसर होना चाहिए बी. इट इज़ आउट ऑफ सिलेबस इन फैक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. ओके, so C should be correct. Involuntary smooth muscles, they are present in iris. Number 6, read the given statement. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का जो सही जवाब है दैट इज ऑप्शन ए. Now question number 7, interdigitation between adjacent epithelial cells. Okay, तो question number 7 का जो correct answer है that is B. Okay, option B, that is increase the surface area of contact. Then question number 8, option C should be correct, collateral gland. Okay, then question number 9, एनल सरसाई ऑकरिन. तो एनल सरसाई जो होते हैं वो दोनों में होते हैं, मेल एंड फीमेल. तो ए शुड बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, सिलेक्ट द मिसमैच्ड पेयर. ओके, तो 10 का जो सही आंसर होना चाहिए एज पर दिस थिंग, तो ऑप्शन सी, सिंपल क्यूबॉइडल एपिथेलियम इंटेस्टाइन, बिकॉज क्यूबॉइडल एपिथेलियम इज मीन फॉर absorption. Question number 11, figures are given. Which of the following figures show the lower lip of the cockroach? Okay, तो 11 का जो सही जवाब है that is A, lower lip. Okay, so labium is the correct answer. Okay, 12, characteristic of smooth muscle fibers are. Okay, तो smooth muscles के बारे में A, spindle shaped है and branched है, non-striated, uninucleate and involuntary. So A is the right option. Question number 13, in cockroach, ootheca is formed by the secretion of dash, and a female cockroach produces dash oothecae each containing dash fertilized eggs in rows. Okay, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, ओके, इसका सही जवाब होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, collateral gland, 9 to 10 oothecae and 14 to 16 fertilized eggs in rows. Question number 14, which connective tissue cells are related to basophils of the blood? Okay, so connective tissue is में macrophage is the right answer. So macrophage, basophils. Okay, basophils. B should be correct answer. Mast cells. Okay, mast cell. 15, which cartilage forms sternal part of the ribs and pubic symphysis respectively? Okay, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 का जो आंसर होगा दैट इज हाइलिन कार्टिलेज एंड वाइट फाइब्रो कार्टिलेज. pubic symphysis में वाइट फाइब्रो कार्टिलेज होगा एंड रिब्स में हाइलिन कार्टिलेज होगा एंड इट विल बी लिटिल इलास्टिक. 16, तो 16 का करेक्ट आंसर होना चाहिए ऑप्शन नंबर बी, पेरिप्लानेटा, नेफ्रिडिया एंड लंग्स. 17, which of the following is not the cell of areolar tissue? ओके, तो 17 का सही ऑप्शन होना चाहिए बी, Schwann cell. Okay, Schwann cell is not associated with that. Okay, then 18, simple cuboidal epithelium lines all the following structure except the, okay, so D, fallopian tube is the correct answer. 19, क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, चूज द ऑड पेयर आउट. ओके, तो 19 का जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन होना चाहिए दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी. ऑप्शन नंबर सी, न्यूरॉन मेलानिन. ओके, नाउ question number 20, cockroaches can climb smooth or steep surfaces due to the presence of adhesive pads found on the tarsus of their legs, and they are called as, okay, so the correct answer is A, okay, plantarly. 21, mummies of Egypt still have their arteries preserved due to the presence of, तो 21 का सही जवाब होगा ए, येलो इलास्टिक कनेक्टिव टिश्यू फाइबर. ओके, 22 का सही जवाब होना चाहिए ऑप्शन नंबर सी. नाउ 23rd, होल्ड ऑन. So coming to question number 23, okay, most widely distributed connective tissue in the body is, okay, so 23 most widely distributed is option C, that is areolar tissue. It is also called as packaging tissue. It will be present between skin and muscles, or muscles and bones, and all other organs, internal organs. 24, pseudostratified columnar epithelium is shown in, okay, so that is shown in option D. okay, तो 24 का जो सही आंसर होगा that is a D. okay, this is called pseudostratified because each cell will have its nucleus in different position and it will appear like multicellular. 25, in an earthworm 4 pairs of spermathecae are located in, okay, तो सही आंसर है A, 6th and 9th segment. 26, which of the following is matched incorrectly, okay, so 26 B is the correct answer. Cuboidal epithelium, walls of blood vessels, because walls of blood vessels will have simple squamous epithelium, that is also called as endothelium. 27, in an earthworm tryphozoole is present between, so 27 A, 26th and 25th segment, that is the correct option. 28 B should be correct. Ciliated columnar epithelium, okay, inner surface of fallopian tube, because the cilia help in moving the ovum towards the uterus, okay, so that is the correct option. Moving to question number 29, which of the following statements is incorrect, तो 29 का सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी. 30, what type of cartilaginous tissue is found in the intervertebral disc, so of course it is white fibrous cartilage, so option C should be correct one, okay, because it is tough cartilage. Last 31, which is not the characteristic of cardiac muscle, okay, तो cardiac muscle के बारे में long spindle shaped cells, तो that is wrong, so A is the correct option. Moving to 32, तो 32 read the following statement, so 32 का जो सही जवाब होना चाहिए that is option B. Option B, 1, 3 and 4 only are wrong. Now 33 chlorogogen cells in cockroach, okay, तो 33 का ऑप्शन होगा B, are excretory in function. Then 34, the secretory epithelium of sebaceous gland is, okay, तो secretory epithelium of sebaceous gland is, तो 34 का सही जवाब होगा C, that is columnar. 35 earthworm again, तो 35 का आंसर होना चाहिए A, 12th and 13th segment. 36, dash neurons connect central nervous system to the muscles and glands. Okay, तो sensory. So 36 का आंसर होना चाहिए B. Now there are both the options are correct, afferent or sensory, because afferent is itself sensory. So A and B, any one you can write, that will be correct. 37. Mouth parts of cockroach are chewing and biting type. So A is the correct answer. Desmosomes are. These are types of junctions. तो 38 का जो सही जवाब होना चाहिए, that is D, cell junctions of epithelial tissue. 39. Bone resorption is brought about by. Okay, तो 39 का सही जवाब है C, that is osteoclast. They will destroy extra matrix and osteocytes. 40 का जो करेक्ट आंसर होना चाहिए, ब्रांच inelastic fibers of connective tissue present in spleen and bone marrow are. तो inelastic लिखा है, तो 40 का आंसर होना चाहिए, that is B, reticular fibers. Then 41 correct option is C. The fat body and uricose glands are glandular in function, that is correct option. Moving to next question, that is question number 42. So 42 correct option should be, which of the following connective tissue does not secrete fibers of structural protein called collagen or elastin? Okay, तो collagen and elastin जो secrete नहीं करते हैं, that is blood. Okay, so C is the correct answer. 43. You have to identify the parts of cockroach head is given. So 43, D is correct. Then 44, the matrix of cartilage is rich in. Okay, तो 44 सही जवाब है C, proteoglycans. C is proteoglycans. 45. Question number 45. C should be correct answer. Anal styles are absent in females. Okay, they are only present in males. So dimorphism in cockroach can be identified with this. 46, reticular tissue forms the supporting framework of. तो 46 का सही जवाब होगा D, बोन मैरो में lymph and spleen, यहाँ पर आपको रेटिकुलर टिश्यू मिलता है. 47, cardiac muscle cells differ from striated muscle cells in having. Okay, तो cardiac muscles and striated muscles, तो यहाँ पर जो सही जवाब होना चाहिए 47 का, that is no sarcoplasmic reticulum. A should be the correct one, centrally located nucleus. Okay, that is the differential point. 48, junction between two adjacent smooth muscle cells is. Okay, तो 48 का आंसर होगा D, that is gap junction. Now 49, mammary gland. 49, mammary gland is an example of a compound. Okay, तो mammary gland 49 सही जवाब होना चाहिए, that is B, alveolar gland. Then 50, embryonic skeleton is majorly formed by. Okay, तो embryonic जो होगा, that is C, hyaline cartilage, which is soft. 51, hump of the camel, commonly asked question, so option B, adipose tissue is the correct one. 52, the inner linings of large bronchi is covered with. Okay, तो 52 का सही जवाब होना चाहिए C, that is pseudostratified columnar ciliated epithelium. Okay, because it helps in putting out the food particle. 53, the process of increasing fertility of soil by the earthworm is called. 53, तो B, vermicomposting. 54, Question number 54, that is, you need to identify 54, sorry, which statement is not true or medullated nerve fiber, about medullated nerve fiber. So okay, so 54 ka D is correct. Great power of regeneration after injury. Okay, because nerves, they do not have regeneration capacity. 55, 55 you need to label the figure, so C will be the correct option. Then 56, juvenile hormone promoting the nymphal characteristic of insect is produced by. So 56, correct option will be C, corpus allatum. Then 57, the peritrophic membrane in the cockroach arises from the. Okay, so 57 का सही जवाब होना चाहिए D, that is mesenteron. Then multilocular adipose tissue differs from unilocular adipose tissue in that because. So 58 सही जवाब होगा ऑप्शन B, has greater number of fat globules. 59 का straightway सही ऑप्शन है C, sensory system possesses light and touch receptors. 60 in the earthworm, तो 60 का सही जवाब होगा ऑप्शन B. 61 pseudostratified epithelium line. Okay, so pseudostratified 61 का सही जवाब होगा A, urethra and olfactory mucosa. 62, which of the following cartilages is present? One sec, I need to change the page, hold on. Okay, now you can view the question. So we are at question 62. So 62 B is the correct answer. Which of the following cartilage is present in pinna? Okay, which is, तो हमारा कान में cartilage जो होता है, that is yellow elastic, it is pliable. 63, transitional epithelium covers the inner lining of. Okay, तो सही जवाब होगा transitional epithelium. Okay, 63, so B, renal pelvis. Okay, so urinary bladder, renal pelvis, all and ureter, they will be having this inner lining with transitional epithelium. 64, fibroblasts, macrophages and mast cells are seen in. Okay, तो कहाँ पर ये मिलेंगे? So they are definitely, they are found in connective tissue. They are associated with connective tissue, and that is areolar tissue. So 64, correct option is B. Next, question number 65. Match the following. तो 65 का सही जवाब होगा ऑप्शन A. Then 66, which muscular tissue helps in peristalsis? Okay, तो peristalsis, it is involuntary in action, and therefore the correct option will be A, smooth muscles. 67, which characteristic describes a muscle tissue present in pulmonary vein? Okay, तो pulmonary vein में जो tissue होगा, that is A, uninucleated fibers. 68, 68, which of the following is incorrect for pheretima? Okay, 68 सही जवाब होगा ऑप्शन C. 69, again it is related with earthworm. Okay, 69, correct जवाब C. 70, correct answer should be A. 71, okay, again figures are given. Okay, so 71A is the correct answer. 72, again option D will be correct. Okay, Malpighian tubules. Now question number 73. Red muscle fibers are rich in. ओके 73 सही जवाब है ए, मायोग्लोबिन एंड साइटोक्रोम। 74 in frog, mesoecium is a thin fold of membrane extending between. So 74 D is the correct option. 75 fat body of Periplaneta is equivalent to dash of vertebrates. Okay, so fat body present in cockroach, that is A, liver. 76 B should be the correct answer. The cells have good power of regeneration after an injury. Okay, तो epithelial tissue के बारे में. 77 okay 77 correct option is A. 78 correct statement Periplaneta americana. Okay, तो 78 का सही जवाब होना चाहिए B, male pair of short thread like anal styles. Okay, 79 muscles involved in movement of arms are. Okay, तो arms में जो muscles हैं they are striated muscles या skeletal muscles. 80 question number 80 A should be the correct answer. 81 again paragraph based questions. So 81 C is the correct option. C is the correct hepatic CK Malpighian tubules. 82 identify the figure and label. Okay, so 82 that is a D. 83 match the following. So 83 correct option should be again D. 84 star shaped neuroglial cells are, so they are astrocytes. Okay, D is the correct option, astrocytes. 85 question 85 so correct option will be D, food grinding crop. Incorrect pair. Crop will only store the food. Okay, grinding will be done at gizzard. Okay, now the last one, 86 question number 86. Pick up the odd in each series and select the correct option. Okay, तो इसका सही जवाब हुआ D. 87 which among the following is not correct for yellow fibers of connective tissue. Okay, so 87 straightway D again, provide toughness and strength because that will be the property of collagen fiber. 88 which of the following is not a type of neuroglial cells. Okay, so oligodendrocyte, astrocytes yes, microglia, chondrocytes they are not, so D is correct option. So 88 D is the correct option. 89 C will be correct answer. Proximal convoluted tubule is lined with C, simple cuboidal brush border because they are helping reabsorption. And last question, that is 90. Okay, so D will be the correct option. Thank you so much.